your electricity bill, but you're paying for it with your health. So actually, dirty energy is not cheaper.
That by attaching a higher price to carbon, you will make their energy more expensive than they can afford. So this is a way to address that issue directly. A number of years ago, there were actually some Republican senators that voiced some support for the concept. Haven't heard that recently, but we're hoping that with your help, we'll be able to re-enlist them at some point in this important effort. So thank you very much for what you're doing, what you've done to get us to this point. Thank you for making sure that we don't allow Congress to get in the way of the President's efforts to address this important issue. And thank you for working with us to try to get a Congress that is actually willing to be a partner with the President and tackle these issues in a way that's best for the